What's up, guys? This is the remaining footage from Uwharrie. A lot of this is the front bumper footage from my GoPro that I use as a spotter camera. We got a late start because they opened the trails late and we had some carnage, so we're kind of rolling through the trails pretty quick, so there's not a whole lot of third-person stuff. It's mostly just me recording with my DJI Action 4 mounted on the front bumper, kind of using that to get a little bit of footage and also as a spotter because we didn't have really time to get out and spot. Most of the trails at Uwharrie are pretty tame. You don't really need a spotter unless you're going up Daniel or down Daniel. Daniel's the bad trail. That's the other video.
Oh, he's turning up the windows.
Yeah. He's got his roof off though. Yeah. So full disclosure, I didn't even know my camera was set to super slow-mo, but it's actually kind of a cool shot for it. So yeah, I'm just going to put it in here in slow motion and not even speed it up. This guy was really tearing it up with his Jeep. I guess he had just snorkeled it. But a lot of mud came in his roof, and he was pretty dirty. And it was a pretty new Jeep, but, well, at least those interiors clean up well. So this Cherokee had a crazy amount of flex. It had a pretty much fully custom front suspension, some kind of trailing arm with really long travel shocks, and the front flexed amazing. The back was leaf sprung, so you know it's a little stiffer probably, and it didn't flex crazy. It's interesting because it's the exact opposite of my rig, where my rear flexes a lot and my front doesn't. But it looked like it rode really smooth and it went everywhere. And of course those things, there's nothing to them, so super light. Always impressed with them.